Seaman monster in my pants. Seaman monster in my pants. Introduction is about to commence in 3. What comes after 3? In 3. Welcome to another episode of the London Urban Fishing Channel, the adventures of Fisherman Jay and cameraman Bob. We are at the Thames River in London, Ontario, and we found where the Medway Creek enters the Thames River. You remember the Medway Creek from our last episode where we unexpectedly caught a very largemouth bass. Which is fun. Yay! And this episode is in dedication to my uncle who recently passed. And he was an adventure guy because he was part of the Knights Templar and the Freemasons. Spooky. Let's commence fishing. Oh, there we go. Bass. Nice. Just a little guy. Oh, Jesus. Barbless hooks. Nice, healthy little fish. Let's get him back in the water. First catch of the day. There you go, buddy. You're going wrong way. Going the wrong way. There you go.
You got in there.
Shabadoo! I knew this was a good spot.
Do you think somebody was murdered?
Yeah, for his phone. He got a phone. Somebody was jealous. They tried to trade. They were going to trade him pills for the phone, but he's like, no, this is my phone. I don't want to get rid of it. I've worked hard for it. I'm gonna go down to the river and shampoo my hair. So they follow him down here, shove pills down his throat, hoping that the overdose would kill him so they could get the phone. That didn't work. So, because he was down here washing his hair, so that's why his hat's off and he took off his shorts because he went into the river. And then when he came out, that's when they shoved the pills down his throat. They shoved the pills down his throat because they were like, well, if we're gonna kill him, he might as well go out feeling okay.
Yeah.
But that didn't work because he was all screaming, oh my God, oh my God, ah! So they grabbed the pillow, shoved it in his face, and then pulled out the gun and fucking pop, pop! They took the rest of the pills and shot up. All day long we're happy and gay, and on our honeymoon. Do the pee-pee dance, the pee-pee dance, don't pee in your pants. I don't know, Bob. I think the fish have shut down for the day. Got one. Whoa! We got an acrobat here. Oh yeah! Woo! Nice. That's a good, healthy smallmouth. Look at that sucker. Out of the Medway Creek. Jeez, Bob, you're always screwing around. You screw around too much.